Hey guys, welcome to my channel Azad Kut here. In this video, I'll show you how you can render suede, which is a type of leather only, but its look and appearance is somewhat different from leather, hence its way of rendering is also different. So let's see how we can create the look of a suede garment. I'm using oil pastels for rendering suede. Apply the color evenly and softly. Take some cotton or earbuds and smooth the color with it. Mark all the folds and highlight all the features with the help of a pencil. Suede is made from the underside of the animal skin, which is softer as compared to the outer side, and hence suede is soft and it has fuzzy surface, and oil pastels are the perfect medium to get this type of texture. Use the color to do the shading and highlight the folds, and also apply the color in the form of patches at some areas. Smooth the color again where you have shown the patches with the help of an earbud. We have to apply the color one last time, so just apply the color again in the form of patches. This time we won't smooth the color, we will let it remain as it is. Use a black pencil color to add darkness to some areas. Merge the pencil color with the help of the base color. I'm using white acrylic color to mark the buttons. Use a pencil to add silver touch to the buttons. Rendering of Suede is now complete. Let me know what you guys think about this illustration with your comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe.